Hey kids, JD here. Today, I'm going to teach you the single greatest coffee hack that mankind has ever discovered. If there's one thing I want you to do, it is to stop sucking at coffee. So go ahead and put down your mocha latte chata sheena bullshit and learn to do it right. Before we get started, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. The basic idea here is real simple. You're going to make up a pot of coffee, but you're not going to drink the whole thing. You're going to take part of it. You're going to put it into ice cube trays. I have some silicone ice cube trays from Walmart. You can find this kind of thing anywhere. Take this ice cube tray that's been filled with coffee, put it in the freezer. Through the magic of time, here's the frozen coffee. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and brew coffee in your favorite way. I have a video on how to make coffee biker style. It's up there. Once you're done with this video, go watch that one. Take some of those frozen cubes, put them into a cup, put your coffee in. Boom, you're done. Here's how it turned out. It's good because it doesn't have ice in it. There you have it, the world's greatest coffee hack. You're welcome. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit me up on social media, leave comments below, leave a like, hit that dislike button twice to show me exactly how much you hate it. I'm JD. I've just improved your coffee, and I'm out.